Hey there! In the last lesson, we differentiated between discrete and continuous dates and how to identify them in Tableau. For this lesson, we will discuss date hierarchies and how they allow you to better customize your charts to tell your story. Let's get started! Using our Superstore dataset again, let's drag our order date field to the column shelf. As we can see, the order date field is a blue pill, which, as you remember from the last lesson, means this is a discrete date field, and so Tableau has automatically generated headers for us. We can drill down further into our data by clicking on the plus sign on the left-hand side of our date field. As you can see, if we click on the plus sign, our date field shows both years and now also breaks down each year into quarters. If we click on the plus sign on the quarter field, we now have a further breakdown showing years, quarters, and also months in each quarter. If we click on the plus sign on the months field, we get a final breakdown showing years, quarters, months, and finally days within each month. This is extremely helpful when you want to be able to drill down into your data, but all you have is one level on your date field, such as year. Tableau makes it very easy for you to drill down into your analysis. Another option to drill down into your date field is to click on the down arrow from the year date field. From here, we can now change the year field into quarters, months, or days. We can also choose the more option and change the year date field to week number or week day or a custom date field. This date hierarchy is available for both discrete and continuous date fields. If we drag our ship date to the column shelf and then click on the plus sign, we see that our axis now changes from years to quarters per year on a continuous scale. Tableau's hierarchy for continuous date fields is the same as it creates for discrete dates, which starts off with year, then quarter, then month, then week, and finally, then day. However, the behavior is different. When you drill down on the hierarchy, no additional pills are created. Only one pill is maintained in your shelf. The lower level hierarchy, for example quarter, replaces the higher level hierarchy, for example year. However, notice that as you drill down the hierarchy, your axis expands and now represents more information. We can continue to click on the plus sign to keep drilling down until we have the correct date we would like. Or once again, we can click on the drop-down arrow and pick the date format we want to use. This is extremely helpful when we want to change the date level that is being shown to our user. Sometimes you may have only the year available in your data, but with this date hierarchy, Tableau allows you to change the date level to better tell your story. Now that you understand the difference between discrete and continuous dates and how to use date hierarchies, the next lesson we will focus on how to convert between discrete and continuous dates and why you would want to switch from one date type to the other. Until next time.